Buy Nifty puts. This is 8,100 puts. Now Nifty is at 125 and Nifty is making lower lows here. But if you see, Nifty is making higher highs too. So I'm a little bit in concern that whether I should take buy puts, which is a bearish, or buy call, which is bullish. So let's see what happens. I'm going to buy these puts. T is likely to correct a little bit, so I'm buying 100 quantities of puts, hoping that might go to 130, 140, so I can make rupees 10 on it on this trade. Okay, I bought it. This is the confirmation. Fully executed at one order price is 131.25 rupees and average price is 131 rupees 5 paisa. 100 quantity there, so we have logged in around 13,105 rupees. Let's see what happens now. It is now 132.45 rupees. Why I have taken this bearish position? Because I see these lower lows trade with trend, but still the trend is bullish because Nifty still is in green. And if you see the multi-day chart, this is a 5 minutes chart. 5 minutes chart. This is a 5 minutes chart. This is yesterday. This is Friday. This is Monday, which is yesterday. This is Friday. This is Thursday. So like that. Nifty is making higher highs or is in bullish trend since last couple of days. Let's see if corrects today. By the way, today is October 6th, 2015. The time is 11:30 a.m. And now our put is at 132 rupees 50 paisa. Let's see. You can see Nifty is falling now suddenly. Our put which we bought at 131 131 rupees is now as 135 rupees. We bought it at uh, around 11:28. At 11:28 we bought that put, or at time 31 rupees, and now it is 130. It is 10 minutes and our put is up. Let's see if this continues, then it will hit our target of 141 rupees. That is 7 rupees away from here. Let's see. Thanks. This is a difficult support to break because this is the high and close of yesterday, so it might be difficult to break this. And since it is a bullish trend, as per the in the bullish market, Nifty takes support on the takes support or respect the support and breaks the resistances. This is what you see. This was the resistance, and Nifty broke it with gap down opening yesterday, like that. It is trying to go into the red region. Now it is 138. The put we bought for 131 rupees. Now 138. So 700 rupees we are in profit. Now it is 800 rupees. And it's now 11:51 am. Now it is at 139 rupees. 139 rupees. I monitor
Probably
my
my favorite,
position.
and it's
I
too bad so many
read
people haven't had a
many
chance
other.
to hear about him and the great
I
work he
watch
did.
such
He
motivational
loved
videos like I am
stories with
watching
vivid
this
characters.
video on read
Venal,
more to make
bumbling, brilliant,
more
you
money.
name it, he
I
loved
gets
them.
He
Buffett,
was a
Tony
novelist
Robbins.
at heart, and he found
Overrated.
a lot of good stories.
Okay, now
in Wall
my
Street.
target is
Warren Buffett
almost done.
gave
I'm
me a copy of
selling,
Business Adventures, feeling like with our
Okay.
dialogue about trying to
selling it at
understand the world of
143
business
rupees. I have to
that
be
I'd
quick
enjoyed
now.
as much as
Before
he had.
the
And in fact, it was phenomenal.
I missed.
Oh, I knew he'd like it. I mean, that was written for him. It was written for me, too. If
Come
you're going to run a
back,
company, you should read The Impact of
back.
Philosophers. I mean, when you learn how
come back to
really probably
143.
pretty decent people start behaving in bad ways, that's fascinating.
He talks about these people in GE who would wink when they would actually say what the rule book said to do. Now remember, you cannot talk to our competitors about this. Wink, which is essentially saying, go talk to them.
But he makes it come alive in a particular way. He makes it come alive as comedy because he understands that most of the time, if you look closely enough, the motives of the people involved are as short-sighted and self-seeking as all other human motives. And that's the material of comedy.
Ford Motor Company was super successful. They introduced a car called the Edsel, and they spent more money on picking the name and planning the features than had ever been spent on any new American product. And yet, it was an abysmal failure.
Ford counted on selling at least 200,000 Edsels the first year. There may be an Aborigine somewhere in a remote rainforest who hasn't yet heard that things failed to turn out that way.
I'm modifying
I
the
just
order
love
to
that
142
line.
rupees. So
And
that
yet, in a way, the Edsel wasn't so bad. It embodied much of the spirit of its time, or at least of the time when it was designed, early in 1955. It was clumsy, powerful, dowdy, gauche, well-meaning. A de Kooning woman.
I think you can read this book today and learn a lot.
I'm not
All the work
modifying
of
it.
Michael
Let's see
Lewis
what
comes
happens.
directly from books.
I mean, he
Now, but these days I read on my iPad, so I'd really go pick up his book. I think it's really tiny. You could read it really quick, and I think it'd give you some really nice insights. And then one other book I'd just like to recommend to you, if you just have a little bit of time here, is called The Happiness Hypothesis by Jonathan Haidt. And I'm probably mispronouncing his name. I hope I'm not. But it's a book I read when it first came out several years ago. But it's one of the best books I've read to show you the scientific understanding of how you...
This is one of the best books I've ever read on how to make money. And this guy went out and he surveyed and studied all the top billionaires. He ended up coming up with around 10 principles that you have to follow to become extra wealthy.
And let me tell you about the 3 top self-development books that have had such a great impact on me.
Believe Life because Spike Z2108 asked me to. So if there's a topic that you want me to cover on the next edition of Believe Life, leave it in the comments below and I'll see what I can do. I'd also love to know which of the points that you heard in this video resonated the most with you, which you learned the most from, you're gonna go take some action on. Leave it in the comments. I'm really curious to find out. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day. Continue to believe, and I'll see you soon.
I'll sell it. It's a 143. The order is not getting filled yet. See. Is now falling. It's now sold. My position is sold now. Oh, that's cash report. Sorry, I had to open this report. We bought 100 quantity of Nifty puts. We 29th October 2015 contact 8,100 put European at 131 rupees 100 quantity and sold at 143 rupees. That is, both are fully executed order statuses. We bought it at around this exchange acknowledgement time. The exchange acknowledged this order at 11:28 and filled it, and at 12:01, that is in half an hour, we earned rupees 1000 rupees, rupees 1000. Position analysis, turnover. We earn this much, 1195 rupees. Today's BPL, that is booked profit or loss, that is profit. This is positive. If it is in minus, then it is loss. This is what we booked in half an hour. So thanks you, it is now 143. Sold against share Khan ID, exchange ID, and does this. Thank you.